Ripple is now one of the most exciting cryptocurrencies on the market. Ripple has formed alliances and partnerships with a number of the world's major banks and investment firms over the years. These associations, as well as the SEC action, are two of the main reasons why the price of XRP could surge very soon. The most impressive thing about XRP is that, despite all that has happened to it, it has shown no indications of slowing down. Although we are expected to see a significant drop before things begin to improve, the XRP price is indicating a significant rise. Yes, XRP might reach $300. We'll get into the specifics of today's video shortly. But first, let's get that intro rolling. What's up, fellas? Welcome to your favorite cryptocurrency news channel, XRP Hut. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and enable alerts to be notified when we add new content. Welcome back, XRP gang, to yet another video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and leave a comment in the space below. Now that we've cleared that up, let's get started. To begin, we will delve deeper into how XRP can indeed reach the $300 barrier. Ripple, as we all know, was established to make financial transactions more advanced while ensuring that the cost is low and the pace is fast. Ripple is collaborating with the traditional banking system to create Ripple's collaboration with certain significant large fish businesses as push for the widespread use of its native currency, XRP. Furthermore, in recent months, large investors have begun committing larger quantities of money to the digital asset XRP. In fact, among institutional investors, XRP is the fastest rising altcoin. The World Bank, World Economic Forum, and EU Commission are among those on board with Ripple and actively engaging with the team. Aside from all of the troubles XRP has had with the SEC, the currency functions as a bridge between different currencies. Ripple has essentially built on the flaws that established institutions have identified. Transactions on the Ripple network can be settled in seconds, as opposed to minutes with traditional institutions. We can all agree that transferring funds with traditional banks might take days, if not weeks, before the wire transfer is completed. Furthermore, Ripple offers a more affordable exchange rate than traditional institutions. The minimum transaction cost on the Ripple network is set at 0.1 XRP. And as we can see, there are numerous reasons to invest in XRP. The fact that Ripple is promoting an appealing future for the financial sector makes XRP one of the most appealing digital assets in the industry. XRP is an excellent investment for both experienced and inexperienced traders. However, in order for XRP to reach $300, it is said that it must have a market capitalization of $13 trillion. Then there is this tweet from @LeoHageloisu, which says, "What is XRP? A crucial question in Section V." Ripple, and here is the answer: it can't be that simple. So, whether the SEC wants to accept it or not, the Howie Orange Grove analysis does not fit the facts and circumstances surrounding XRP and its offering as well. According to the article on financefeeds.com, Denise Feshin, an associate at Ulmer and Byrne, has examined how the SEC defines digital assets as securities in a document titled "Using Apples as a Metaphor for Orange Groves." Ms. Feshin, an attorney who represents broker-dealers, investment advisors, and registered persons in the financial services industry, began by noting that courts have liberally construed the term investment contract to apply to a wide range of money-raising schemes that have been found to be securities. The Howey test for an investment contract was created in the landmark case of SEC v. W.J. Howey Company, a hotel operator who offered shares in orange plantations as an investment program. The Supreme Court ruled that the events surrounding the sale of the Orange Grove holdings constituted an investment contract, and as such, security. Denise Feshin elaborated on the court's decision. It's important to note the following distinction: the underlying asset, the Orange Grove, was not considered a security. Rather, the manner in which the tracts of orange groves were offered made them an investment contract. Naturally, you're asking what orange orchards have to do with digital assets. As it turns out, the SEC believes they have a lot more in common than you might think, she added, noting that U.S. laws and regulations have been static and haven't kept up with the cryptomania. In the absence of new legislation, the SEC has concluded that a digital asset such as a cryptocurrency may be regarded an investment contract, and so a security under the Howey framework. SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce, who recently criticized the lack of clarity in the crypto field, also stated in an interview that when we consider a crypto asset to be a security, we are implying that it is being marketed as part of an investment contract. It does not imply that the asset itself must be a security. It denotes that it was sold as a security. Moving on, we have another tweet from @JamesRuleXRP with the subject, XRP lawsuit. The SEC applies for a seal, agreeing with Ripple that third-party identity is irrelevant. Looking at the news on Coingate.com, we can see that the SEC, in fact, followed Ripple's lead and filed for seal in the interrogatories dispute, the most recent development in the XRP issue. The plaintiff stated that it supports Ripple's motion to seal evidence in the interrogatories dispute concerning the application of the Howey test to XRP sales during the last 8 years. The SEC agrees with the defendants that the identities of third parties are irrelevant to the court's decision on the defendant's motion to compel, which allows the sealing of portions of documents revealing the identities of individuals and entities where the public interest in such information is low. The suspicion about a settlement is only proven if the SEC and Ripple continue to collaborate on sealing evidence. The SEC may be using the seal to avoid creating a legal precedent in the XRP case. Anyone, including SEC opponents, will be unable to use the case's example in the near future. Earlier in the interrogatories dispute, the SEC asked a delay to file its letter move to seal. Before sealing portions of the appeal, the SEC acknowledged that it will speak with the defendants. This hid the suspicions. Because the portions to be sealed involved the names of third parties, the SEC petitioned the court for merit sealing. The SEC asked Ripple for a seal to preserve the secrets of some important individuals hidden in the exhibition. The seal and settlement speculation loops back to the SEC requesting Ripple for a seal to protect specific prominent individual secrets buried in the exhibits. The SEC also filed a letter in the interrogatories dispute stating that Ripple's motion to seal portions of certain exhibits was not met with opposition. As we can see, the SEC is losing as the case progresses. As a result, the SEC appears to be contemplating a settlement with the defendants. This is because they want to bury this litigation now before it digs out the past. In fact, Ripple filed a letter last week disputing the SEC addition of 3 documents to be reviewed after the August 31, 2021 phone conference based on a privilege log provided by the SEC. The SEC has been thrown into disarray as a result of these files, which include an email chain that might potentially contradict the SEC previous simply an opinion excuse for the 2018 Hinman speech. As we get to the end of today's video, we have this final tweet from @MacAttackXRP, which says SEC v. Ripple, XRP utility and currency value backed by former U. Treasurer Ripple XRP appears to have gained another high-profile supporter. Let's take a look at that article from financialfeeds.com. We can see that Rosie Rios, the 43rd Treasurer of the United States from 2009 to 2016 under President Barack Obama, has made quite a statement while the SEC v. Ripple case continues, and CEO Brad Garlinghouse refuses to compromise unless perfect confidence about XRP is delivered. The 56-year-old academic took to Twitter to address everyone who is still debating whether XRP qualifies as a security under the Howey test. As the Securities and Exchange Commission says, the major objective of XRP is to facilitate cross-border payments, whilst other cryptos find value in speculation. MS. Rios noted that China's latest move emphasizes this argument. Both usefulness and monetary value are characteristics that are not found in securities. This declaration comes from a former United States Treasurer, providing weight and credibility to Ripple's claims against the SEC. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the charts. Over time, the diagonal trend lines have served as significant resistances and supports. When the bullish euphoria stage begins to kick in during Q4, the previous diagonal resistances will be the targets to reach. It has a minimal chance of hitting target 3. Nothing has changed with my chart, and everything is proceeding as predicted for the time being. The bear party is expected to end between 65 cents and 75 cents. It is highly possible that the price will grow to $2 or higher. It would be a shame if you missed it. Please bear in mind that we are not a registered investment advisor. All of the videos on this channel are just for entertainment reasons. Leave your thoughts in the comments area. Let's talk about it in the comments section below. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking the button below. Enable alerts to be notified whenever we publish new awesome content. We'll see you in the following video.